Good morning, welcome back to a new studio vlog. I know the last two studio vlogs that I filmed were silent vlogs. I had my baby with me and there is just too much background noise to actually film and talk. But today is Sunday, which means he is at my mom's, so I have the time to film a vlog and actually talk and take you guys through the process. So on the to-do list for today is pouring Christmas candles. My labels just came in a couple of days ago, so I want to start on those candles, make home decor. So with my Jesmonite, I got a wholesale order for 6 rose quartz trays. So I have to make 3 more. I already made 3 that I still have to sand. So I have to make 3 more, and then I also want to make some Christmas decor so I can get ahead of that. And then I want to send the home decor that I make today and film content for YouTube and TikTok. So only 4 things, but those will take hours and hours. So I'm going to start off with making the home decor, and then I'm going to take a lunch break at my mom's, and then we will resume our activities. Now I know once I get in the zone that I probably won't be talking that much, so I'm sorry in advance. I will try to talk you guys through everything, but I'm going to start on the home decor. By the way, I do plan on making a series on more in-depth topics. For example, how to measure out your wax, how to measure out your Jesmonite, what materials I use, and stuff like that. So if you have any video requests for a how-to video, leave it down below in the comments. But yeah, let's get started on the home decor. This is, by the way, my setup. It takes a while for me to actually set everything up. I don't have a studio. I do this at home, so yeah. It does take a while and it gets very messy. But this is, by the way, my new baby. It is like a vibrating machine so that I don't have too much air bubbles. And then I already wrote down the measurements for all of these molds that I want to do now. So 502 of the powder, and then 1251 for the powder, and 502 for the liquid. I also always use a retarder because I want to take my time and make sure I have the least amount of air bubbles. Trying to open this jug is always so difficult. I always add my retarder in with the liquid before adding the powder. And I truly eyeball that. Now I used to mix this by hand, but I don't do that anymore. I have a handheld mixer, luckily. As you can see, there's some air bubbles in it, so I just tap it to get rid of those. And then I go in with my spatula and go through it one more time. And now it's time to add them into the molds. Alright, so that's batch number 1 done. So now I'm going to start on the oval trays, the rose quartz oval trays. Alright guys, so I just got done with the first batch of home decor. I unmolded everything. And what I'm going to do now is quickly do a first sanding of the rose quartz trays. Those are the most difficult to sand, and if you sand them right after unmolding when they haven't really set yet, it is way easier to sand them. So that's what I'm going to do now, and after that I'm going to take a break for some lunch and then do part 2 of making the home decor. This is, by the way, everything that I made so far, and then also 3 of these trays that I'm going to sand right now. This new Christmas candle holder is so freaking pretty. Look at that. I am obsessed with it. It comes with a little lid. So pretty. I just got home from having lunch, so now I'm going to make some more home decor. Then we are going to sand all of that home decor, and then we're going to start on the candles. So still we have a lot of work to do.
Hello, Ramona. I can't shake